Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp Introduction to CSS for Developers. This is the section on the box model. We're talking about margin and padding. And we've talked about margin top and bottom and left and right, and padding top and bottom and left and right. I want to show you now how to do this with a shortcut property where you can set all four. And that'll save you some typing. So let's get rid of these margin ones and then we'll replace them. Okay, now here is how it works. It's the margin property, and if you just set one value, it'll go all the way around. So we're going to set it all the way around to 0. Okay, now all the way around at 0. Okay, now you have top, right, bottom, and left, and it goes around clockwise, starting at the top, starting like a clock would at noon. The other way you can think of it, top, right, bottom, left, trbl, top, right, bottom, left, spells trouble. So you can think of a clock or you can think of trouble. Either way is fine. Okay, but if we have two values, it's the top, the first value will set the top and bottom, and the second value will set the left and right. Let's see what that does. Save that, refresh it. Okay, so now we have a 1em margin on both sides. Okay, so this is top and bottom, this is left and right. Okay, if we set a third one, that'll be just for the bottom. You know what, we can put a comment here. A comment in CSS is the same as a comment in the C programming language, if that helps you, but it's a slash and a star, and then you can say trbl. Star slash to end the comment. Okay, so anyway, top, if you specify one value, it's all four. If you specify two values, then the first one's top and bottom, the second one is left and right. If you specify a third value, we'll make it 1em too. So we'll save that and go over here and refresh it. Okay, so now we've got 1em, we've got 0 on top, 1em on both sides, and 1em on the bottom. So top, both sides, and the bottom. And then if we specify a fourth one, that's where we really get trouble. If we specify the fourth one as, let's say, 0em, 0. Actually, when it's 0, you don't specify a unit for the most part. I'm going to save that, and let's. Okay, so now it's 0 over here on the left. So it was like a clock, right? Top, right, bottom, left. Top is 0, right is 1, bottom 1, left 0. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And, you know, a lot of times just specifying one or two of these will do it, because a lot of times you want it to be the same on both sides, and you want it to be the same on the top and the bottom. So a lot of times just one or two of these will do it. But if you do all four of them, it spells trouble. Okay, the same thing works exactly the same with padding. So this time we've got padding bottom is 0, padding top is 0. We'll just set them all to 0. And this is applying to both H1s and H2s. Okay. So that's the same as it was, right? Okay. So that's shortcut properties for margin and padding and treble and clockwise, and how it works depending on the number of these values you specify. Okay, thank you.